The Industrial Revolution Award Transformed, present by Valentina Manzano. Between 760 and 1840, humanity experienced its most radical transformation. Manual labor gave way to machines. Villages became cities and the modern world as was born. Shift from fields to factories. Before 1760, life was agrarian and production was manual. Artisans worked in small groups, creating goods by hand with limited output. The turning point. The factory system emerged and replaced traditional workshops. Great Britain became the birthplace of this massive change. After the shift, machines replaced hand tools, productivity soared, and new economic order transformed society. James Watt and the Engine of Progress. In 1769, James Watt improved the steam engine design, making it efficient and practical for industrial use. This invention powered new machinery and revolution travel. Factories replaced traditional workshops, increasing productivity across every sector of the economy. 1769, Watt separate condenser made steam engines far more efficient. Industrial impact. Steam-powered drum looms, pumps, and eventually locomotives. The cotton boom. The textiles industry grew rapidly due to mass production. Britain imported cotton from India and United States, and machines made cloth faster and cheaper for every young. Raw material. Britain imported vast quantities of cotton from India and the United States to feed its growing mills. Mechanization. The spinning jenny and power loom replaced hand weaving production and cloth at unprecedented speed. Affordable goods. Mass production made clothing affordable for the working class for the first time in history. Iron and steel. The foundations. Henry Bessemer invented a process to create high-quality steel at the scale. The demand for railways and heavy machinery soared, and cities transformed as construction became faster and stronger. Bessemer's process. Henry Bessemer invented a process to create high-quality steel, making it affordable and abundant for the first time. Railways. The demand for railways soared, connecting cities and enabling the rapid movement of goods and people. Urban transformation. Cities transformed as construction became faster and stronger, reshaping the industrial landscape. The migration wave. Millions of people moved from rural areas to the industrial cities, drawn by the promise of factory work. Rapid urbanization caused overcrowding and poor living conditions. New industrial class emerged as society reconfigured. Rural exodus. Families abandoned farms for factory waste in growing industrial centers. Urban overcrowding. Cities like Manchester and Birmingham swelled beyond their infrastructure capacity. New social class, a working class, and the industrial bourgeoisie redefined the social order. The human cost, where days were long and conditions were often dangerous. Women and children worked in factories and mines for low wages. These hardships led to the birth of labor movements. Brutal conditions. Work days lasted 12 and 60. Accidents were common and safety regulations were virtually non-existent in early factories and mines. Women and children worked in factories and mines for low wages, often in the most dangerous roles. Labor movements. These hardships led to the birth of labor movements as workers organized to demand better conditions and fair wages.